Hi! Looking to bulk upload your data into Maxyfi? I will guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's start by clicking Ad Hoc Upload option from the left menu bar. You have two options to prepare the data to load. Use Maxyfi data upload format. You can download the template from the top right corner. Fill the data as per the format and upload. Second option is to bring data in your own format. Map the data to Maxyfi fields and load to the application. Let's see how that works. Use Upload option to select the file from your system. Once you click Upload, application will show the header and also the first row data to easily guide you into mapping and upload. Now, map the mandatory information needed for customer and invoice like customer name, due date, etc. Choose the appropriate data type for the relevant mapped fields. You can also map other non-mandatory information, like customer address and contact details. After completing the mapping, click Next to capture default information. Along with saving this mapping for future use. Click to upload. Once done, open the record and check the validation status. Click Confirm Upload if you wish to load the data. You can view the uploaded data in Customer and Invoice page. Have a good day with Maxyfi. Bye!